If you want to create images faster and more intuitively with Leonardo AI, real-time generation is one of the best features to learn. In this video, I'll show you how to use real-time gen in Leonardo AI step by step so you can sketch ideas, guide the AI, and refine your image without starting over every time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and look at the left navigation sidebar. From there, click Real-Time Canvas. This takes you into the interactive workspace where you can draw, edit, and guide the AI in real time. This is perfect if you want more control over the final image while still letting AI do the heavy lifting. Now, you need to start your image. If you already have a photo, sketch, or previous generation you want to improve, click Add Image at the top of the left sidebar. This is a great option for editing personal photos or building on something you've already created. If you want to begin from scratch, simply click Generate to open a blank canvas and start fresh. Once your canvas is ready, use the drawing tools on the left side. The brush tool lets you sketch rough shapes, outlines, or full compositions. Don't worry about making it perfect, because Leonardo AI will interpret your drawing and turn it into something much more polished. If you want to edit only a specific part of the image, use the selection tool. And if you make a mistake or draw something you don't want, the eraser tool makes it easy to remove unwanted areas. Next, you need to guide the AI with your prompt. In the prompt box, type clear instructions about the subject, style, mood, and details you want. For example, instead of just saying dragon, you could say something more specific like a red fantasy dragon flying over snowy mountains in cinematic lighting. The more clear your prompt is, the better the AI will understand your sketch and your intention. You should also adjust your brush settings. Use a small brush when you want to add detail and a larger brush when you're blocking out broad shapes or general areas. This helps you control how the AI interprets your composition and makes the editing process much smoother. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Leonardo AI gives you simple ways to fix it. You can use undo to step back one action, redo to move forward again, or clear canvas if you want to remove everything and start over completely. These tools make experimentation much easier, especially when you're testing different ideas. For more precise edits, turn on Inpaint mode at the top of the canvas. This is one of the most useful features because it lets you edit a specific area without regenerating the entire image. Just paint over the section you want to change, and the AI will regenerate only that part while keeping the rest of your image intact. This is ideal for fixing faces, changing objects, or adjusting small details. You can also control the overall look by choosing a style preset. Style presets help guide the final aesthetic so your image matches the vibe you want. Then adjust the creativity level. If you set it lower, Leonardo will stay closer to your sketch and make more accurate results. If you raise it higher, the AI will take more creative freedom and produce a more artistic variation. So that's the basic workflow for using real-time gen in Leonardo AI. Start with a canvas, sketch your idea, add a clear prompt, refine with Inpaint, and then fine-tune the style and creativity until you get the result you want. It's a simple but powerful way to turn rough ideas into polished AI images much faster. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.